On LEX 18 News at Sunrise. Left rain today, please.
Yes, we can do that.
Okay, perfect.
Thank goodness, because the last couple of days have been an absolute drag.
Yes.
Today gets better, and still not exactly 100%, but we're doing better. In downtown Lexington, a little bit of haze hanging in there. Some fog could be an issue for you this morning. No surprise with the recent rain that we've had, but there isn't much going on as far as showers and storms go today, so that's the good news. The bad news later in the weekend, we're going to start to at least see some scattered stuff developing, so get ready for that. Here's the visibility. We've got a band of fog running from E-Town down through Glasgow up along the Ohio River and as well down towards Harlan. You guys are down below 2 miles visibility. So, yeah, it's not tremendously dense. It's not going to be a huge issue for you. Flemingsburg, you're 1.5 miles, but watch out for it. And temperature-wise, we're on the warm side. We're in the low 70s in Lexington. Cold front's tracking south, not really going to do much at all temperature-wise, and really not going to do a whole lot as far as precipitation goes today. It'll stall down into Tennessee later on tonight and into tomorrow. That'll extend the shower and storm chance for our far southern counties. I'll explain that coming up. But as far as early this morning, we've got little spotty sprinkles and showers, a couple more developing down around Irvin, so there is a chance out there. Don't think we're completely rain-free. We had a few cruising through Campton early this morning. Southern side of Rowan County there, you've got one lone blip down towards eastern Bell County. There is a chance you may get wet, but it's an isolated shower, thunder shower. Big picture shows how limited the extent is. That's 18 hours ago. Those strong storms I talked about yesterday fired up into southern counties. We had some wind damage reports, a number of trees down around Pulaski County, south of Somerset, and farther south as well. So the 2-day rainfall, well, 3-day rainfall totals, but the majority of it came in 2 days. We had anywhere between 1 to over 2 inches of rain. It was spread out, but it was torrential at times. And if you look at Bluegrass Airport's total, Lexington's total, Tuesday, Wednesday, we had just over an inch of rain. August so far, and we're not that far into August, we've had over 2 inches of rain. So we've now had over 60% of what we typically see for the entire month in the first, handful of days, first 9 days, well, a couple of handfuls there in August. So 5th driest month typically with only 3.25 inches average, 3.25. We're already over 2. So yeah, it's been a very wet start to the month of August for a lot of us. Here's the future track. There's that limited chance for an isolated shower, thunder shower out there today. As that front stalls across Tennessee tomorrow, though, we will see a chance, and watch where it is, down south toward our Tennessee border. Maybe some scattered showers and storms making it into our southern counties. I don't think we'll see much of anything in the Bluegrass. Definitely up into northern Kentucky Saturday and Sunday we'll need to watch. There's a cold front tracking south. Don't see a whole lot initially, but could see more scattered stuff on the lower end for Saturday and then a slightly better chance Sunday. This is one positive impact. That's the dew point later on today in the 60s. That's muggy, but it's not as uncomfortable, as steamy as it's been. Look what happens tomorrow. That number creeping back up into the muggy to yuck territory. So it's going to get a little stickier tomorrow to start the weekend off. Mid-80s, track that isolated shower and storm threat. Not much of a threat today. Tonight down to the mid-60s. Tomorrow and into the weekend, we stay in the 80s, but we will see that better chance for at least a scattering of showers and storms Saturday and Sunday. I don't think it'll be a huge impact, but you'll need to keep an eye on the sky. Middle of next week, out there longer into your 8-day forecast, that may be a better chance for more widespread showers, storms, strong storms, and heavy rain. So we'll be tracking that through the weekend.